Hi everyone, we are going to begin the project status meeting. In this sprint, we completed the elicitation and collaboration requirements. This lays out the usage and applications of the 6 core concepts utilized by myself during the elicitation and collaboration sprint. We just completed sprint 2, elicitation and collaboration. This report describes the tasks used to prepare for and conduct elicitation activities and confirm the results. The tasks for this knowledge area are to perform and obtain information from stakeholders, confirm the results, and communication with stakeholders when information is received. Within each task are techniques that are project specific to get to the goal to get the best outcome as a business solution. During the sprint, we added purchasing as a stakeholder. The purpose of the Prepare for Elicitation task is to understand the scope of the elicitation activity, select appropriate techniques, and plan for supporting materials and resources. For this task, I used the mind mapping technique. This technique, I was able to think through the items that I needed to help me prepare a clear outline for the needs and to educate the stakeholders on the processes and gain their support. The purpose of the conduct elicitation task is to draw out, explore, and identify information relevant to the change. For this task, I used the workshop technique. The workshop was able to bring stakeholders together to collaborate, drawing out their experience, expertise, and judgment. During the workshop, we are going to review discussion points listed on the right and generate additional ideas. The purpose of the Confirm Elicitation Results task is to check the information gathered during elicitation for accuracy and consistency with other information. For this task, I use a document analysis technique. For this technique, I would research unconfirmed results from the elicitation process, record documentation reviewed, and determine if the document is relevant, current, and credible. The purpose of the Communicate Business Analysis Information task is to ensure stakeholders have shared understanding of business analysis information. If the stakeholders do not receive or understand the information, I need to change the method used. For this task, I used the review technique. During this review, we would inspect information gathered during the elicitation, evaluate for accuracy, and resolve any issues or questions. On the bottom right, you can see the roles that individuals are going to play during this meeting. The purpose of the Managed Stakeholder Collaboration task is to encourage stakeholders to work towards a common goal. The stakeholder map lays out the level of interest the stakeholder has on the project and the level of influence of the stakeholder. Based on the layout, I can determine if the stakeholder, based on their roles, are participating effectively, their attitudes and interests are constant or improving, the elicitation results are confirmed in a timely manner, and that commitments are being maintained. By using the appropriate techniques for each task, I was able to elicit useful information from the stakeholders by building good relationships, establishing strong collaboration, and monitoring stakeholder activities. Next week, we will begin Sprint 3, which covers the knowledge area, requirements, lifecycle management. This will conclude our meeting unless anyone has any questions, comments, or concerns on the elicitation and collaboration knowledge area. Thank you for your time.